Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this ENSTER 3G/4G LTE Outdoor Surveillance Camera System with SIM card. It's the Nano SIM, which you need to operate with this here. It's a 2K IP camera for outdoor use with dual lens system. The camera surveillance outdoor without Wi-Fi is here possible. This innovative dual lens security camera system is designed to provide advanced surveillance solutions for our home or for our business. With its unique double lens connection, this 4G camera offers a 360 degrees view. This eliminates blind spots and ensures a maximum coverage. When a human figure is in the image of the bullet or the dome camera, it's automatic tracking its activities and is wireless, possible with 3G and 4G connection. Because this surveillance camera SIM card does not require a Wi-Fi network and it is 100% wireless. A SIM card with a tripod is included in the package, which is convenient for the immediation setup. This is ideal for gate, backyards, gardens, workplaces, warehouses, caravans, trailers, construction sites, forests, farms, and ranches, and so on. And custom detection range and voice alert. This outdoor camera also offers the opportunity to adjust detection areas, so we can focus on certain areas of interest and ignore unnecessary movements. When creating the detection areas, we can also set a dedicated line that can warn visitors before entering. And we have colored night vision and 2K HD. With the built-in 4 infrared LEDs and 10 white lights, this 2K Full HD camera surveillance outdoor can provide us with clear night vision and guarantees full color IR night vision images for up to 20 meters. There are 3 night vision modes to choose from. And on top we have two-way audio and motion detection. This camera system has a built-in speaker and a microphone, so we can talk to visitors in real time or warn unwanted intruders while we are outside. The IP camera automatically detects movement, noise, and people. When something unusually happens in the surveillance area, the security camera emits a white light alarm and sends a message to the phone, which we can operate with it. Because there's an app on the market, and this app is really cool. The first step is we have downloaded the Cam High Pro app to our mobile phone from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then, of course, we have to reset the camera. We press the camera reset button for 30 seconds. Then we wait about 1 hour, 1 minute, not 1 hour, 1 minute for rebooting the system. If you like to enter into it, default username and password is admin, ADMIN. After losing the QR code, we can connect it to the camera via network cable and search for UID in the same local area network. And then you can find it and you can enter with it. Admin is the network password. We inserted 4G Nano SIM card with internet access. We connect the power supply to the camera. We do not connect the network cable. We wait for 30 seconds. Rebooting process. Then we run the Cam High Pro app, CAM-HIPRO, to connect the camera. We add the camera, 4G camera, we scan the QR code on the machine. After this, default user and password are automatically identified. And then the camera is online now. Then we can enter to it. The camera name can be changed. Then we have to enter a new password for the next entering into the camera system. Then we can select HD mode or SD mode. And we can make a playback page. We play or download the videos from the micro SD card, which we can install. We go to the settings pages. We can change the password. We can make so many functions with it. We can monitor areas. We can make easy rotation stuff for it, and this is only possible because this comes with an image sensor of 3 million 1.5.70 inches CMOS sensors with the main resolution of 1920 to 1080p, and the sub resolution is 640 to 360. The lens is aperture 1.4, 3.6 millimeter, and aperture 1.4, 6 millimeter lens 2. The video format is an H.265. The night vision distance is 20 meter. The detection distance is 15 meter. The two-way voice is supported in this camera system. The light source is the patent bionic ball machine 6+6 upper gun machine and a 4.4 mixed lamp angle design. The power is a DC power, so you will need a DC power entrance, but this is included, so you have to plug it into a power socket and then it can go to make a job. The power consumption is 240 wattage network, not network of your local area network. It's the power supply network. The network interface is a 10 amp or 100 amp adaptive Ethernet port RJ45. The audio is a built-in microphone and speaker. The storage interface is a local TF card up to 128 gigabit. The system can be saved there, or the footage can save there and can be downloaded. We have a pan and tilt range, pan 355, tilt 0 degrees up to 90. Auto tracking is supported. The preset is 90. Intelligent analytics support human shape detection. The gun ball linkage, really cool. And we have software features here with a frame rate of 15 frames per second. That's for a camera system which comes here for a surveillance camera system. It's okay for it, I think. The protocols is supported protocol ONVIF. Cloud storage is supported if you like. 4G LTE wireless standard is Europe LTE FDD. And the working temperature is from -10 up to 60 degrees Celsius. So you can make a good job with this. ENSTER 3G and 4G. And this is an ENSTER 4G IP camera. It's an outdoor surveillance camera system with a nano SIM card, which comes to you with a 2K resolution, with an IP camera for outdoor with dual lens technology. This is a surveillance outdoor camera system which works without Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sit soon.